Hello, my name is Dr S K Gupta. Welcome to my LifePage. Today I will talk about teaching physics. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. I did my graduation from Kanpur University, my post-graduation from University of Roorkee, at the moment IIT Roorkee. I did my PhD also from IIT Roorkee, and after that I went into the teaching of postgraduate classes, and in between I have joined ICI Lab UK for my postdoctoral, went back to UK and joined University of Wales and worked there for 4 years in 2 steps. At the University of Wales in the second term, and currently I am working as a professor at DIT University, and I am also having the responsibility of Dean of Research and Consultancy. Physics is a subject which is most logical, and once you start taking interest in it, you would wish to continue with it. As a teacher, if you want to teach physics, you should make your students comfortable with the subject, and also you should tell few salient points about how to take more interest in physics. And for that, what I do is that I, in the very beginning, tell my students that if you want to become a good physicist, you must be a better mathematician. So that way, I found that many of my students have grown up a lot in physics. Initially, they were just average students, and at the end of the session, they became very bright in physics. It will be very good if you have a very good knowledge of mathematics along with the physics at your 12th level, because the subject starts from there. And when you go for your graduation, you should continue with it. Basically, you will start taking more interest in physics because the mathematics was already very strong, and that will continue with you. Just try to analyze what's happening in particular thing. Once you analyze few things, the other things will be analyzed automatically. Try to remain in touch with the latest things in the physics, what's happening in the physics in different parts of the world, and for that try to attend the lectures that are happening. There are some web lectures also available. You can go for that and improve your physics. It is a very prestigious subject. As far as I remember, in my days, when you used to go for higher physics, there were 3 subjects: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Physics was always on top. It was taught first. So PCM is still today is taught as PCM. You will be only a half physics teacher if you don't know much about the lab. So you should devote your time in the lab. If there's lab, it's good. If there's no lab and you have got some time, go in the lab and work on some experiment, set it there, and that's the way you will do a lot of improvement in your lab also. I reach my office at 9 o'clock, and if there's a class at 9 o'clock, it's okay. If there's no class at 9 o'clock, then I prepare my topic for the class. I go to my class, teach there, then I come back and see what I have to do for the day. If there is a lab, then I go to the lab. If there is no lab, then I prepare for the next lecture. And also, if there is some work left over regarding the checking of their assignments, tutorials, then I work on that. At 1 o'clock, I take my lunch. After 2 o'clock, I again prepare for the other assignments. Mostly in the afternoon, I work on the research responsibilities that I have got here. At the moment, there are around 86 PhD students in the DIT University who are pursuing their research. Some 12 students have already submitted their thesis, out of which 2 students have received their PhD. 10 theses are in my office, and I am working on that at the moment. And for the other students also, I continue working for their research. And if there is any assignment in the afternoon, then I go and take my class or lab or whatever it is. And normally at 5 o'clock it finishes, but if there is some meeting or something like that, and sometimes it goes up to 7 o'clock and past 7 as well. I hope I have given you balanced overview of physics. Thank you very much.